Hi everyone, welcome to my second daily edition. In this daily edition, I'll be talking about my DE2. So that is going to be using metrics in my business model. Okay, so let's start. There are three main things that I want to talk about. Firstly is the type of metrics. Next is the pillar of these metrics. And lastly are the implementations of these metrics in my work in general. Now, let's start with the type of metrics. So based on my research, there are three types of metrics. First are the KPIs, key point indicators, in which these metrics are basically the performance indicators to show our milestones, our goals, and our current progress. The operating metrics is basically the metrics that we use to increase the operation efficiency and somehow make the operation process less time consuming, financially consuming, and etc. And lastly is vanity. Now, the pillars of metrics. The four main pillars that I've researched about, that is financial health, customer success, operations, and business growth. And I've summed up a few of the metrics in these pillars. Let's start with finance health. First is the net profit, then the MRR, which I believe is the monthly returning revenue, and then the ARR, which is the annual returning revenue, if I'm not wrong. So, finance health prioritizing in the survival of the business because it's basically health and it helps the company survive for longer, last longer, and eventually have a stronger connection to the market. Next is customer success. And the three things that are important here are CAC, LTV, and NPS. Customer success is basically the tool that gives us financial health, because in order to have financial health, we need to have a general large amount of cash flow, and in order to have a large amount of cash flow, we need customers, and in order to have customers, we need customer success. And with customer success, customers buy our products more, and with more revenue, we get more profit in general. Now, the operations and the business growth. Operations is mainly the metric of project management, in which in our business, depending on the industry, we manage each of our projects carefully so that we don't overspend, we don't overpay, and we don't make any losses during the operations of our business. And lastly is business growth, in which the main metric is ROAS. So ROAS is basically the metric that ensures our business cooperates or something with finance health, customer success, and in general grow our brand. So it's basically branding, I think. Now, implementing. So basically, in order to have a healthy business, based on my research, we should have an LTV to CAC ratio of around 3-1, or equal or less than 3-1. Now, in order to have a good general business structure, I believe we need to pick 3 to 5 KPIs for business in each of these metrics, and that is how we maintain quality, efficiency, and low costs in our business. So that's all for my second daily edition. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.